It's your boy Prime, and it is Sunday, January 25th in New York City, and it is crazy outside. I guess you would call it a blizzard, a snowstorm. If you ask me, they turned them HARP machines on. They got the HARP machines activated, but that's for another conversation. But this is your boy Prime reporting live, Prime TV. Prime's World is the channel, and we are gonna go outside and really see how bad it is. So yeah, it's coming down. The snow is very high, as you see. Snow is very high. Can't even really walk in it. Look how deep the snow is. Snow is very, very deep, very deep. Yeah, my peoples, it is real out here. Snowstorm 2026. The snow is about up to my shins. I want to say like 5 inches, 6 inches right now. And that's what it is. You see the cars. It's a little crazy out here. You got to enjoy the times while you can enjoy the times. You know what I mean? You get that? Say it again. You got to enjoy the times while you can enjoy the times. If you don't need to be outside, don't go outside. Take it from me. Unless you got skis or a snowboard or a snowmobile, it don't make sense to be out here. And it's brick. That's as far as I'm going.